Hey ladies, if you're new to fitness and want to tackle that belly fat, let me share how my 15-minute daily workout made a difference in my life. I spent time experimenting to find the right exercises, and I finally built a routine that's perfect for beginners. I survived the initial struggles of sticking to it, and I saved time with this efficient workout that fits into any schedule. The results? I got amazing changes. My belly fat reduced, and my overall health improved. Here's my go-to routine. Bodyweight squats. These help tone your legs and core while boosting your metabolism. Standing oblique crunch is effective for targeting your sides and reducing belly fat. Toe taps, great for engaging your core and improving coordination. Modified plank strengthens your core and improves overall stability. I faced challenges with staying consistent and overcoming the initial fatigue, but the results were worth it. Physically, my belly fat diminished, and mentally, I felt more empowered and energized. If you're in a busy life, Fresh Juice Original can help you make nutritious smoothies quickly. It's highly rated with over 100 5-star reviews and offers free shipping. Check the link in the description to get yours now. Experiencing pain, low energy, or mobility issues? Strength training for seniors is designed with 45+ easy exercises to boost your strength and confidence. Get your copy with 5-star reviews and free shipping. Link in the description. To keep track of your progress, the fitness tracker is essential. It monitors your calories, steps, and sleep effortlessly and is waterproof for your convenience. Get yours now with 5-star reviews and free shipping. Click the link below. Stay committed, be consistent, and remember, every workout brings you closer to your fitness goals. You've got this.